Some drivers must have been gifted a driver's license from the way they drive. In today's video, you'll see shocking idiots behind the wheel, where one small mistake leads to huge consequences like a car crash and more. Sit back and enjoy. When showing off on the road comes with immediate consequences.
Oh, shit!
Close call. A few seconds later and that person would have been split in half. Entitled truck driver drives like an idiot and then is too afraid to take accountability, so drives off. Luckily, both drivers were left unharmed. Point of view of what falling asleep behind the wheel looks like and how dangerous it can be.
Entertaining debates and interviews with the biggest names. Trials of plans, or subscribe to YouTube or wherever you get your podcasts. This is Brandon Marshall, aka The Beast from Iron Man.
The white car has experience in this field. You just can't make this stuff up. Who's the bigger idiot in this clip? The driver stopping suddenly after running a red, or the one following him? You have to appreciate a driver who takes accountability for their actions and mistakes.
Bro, if I didn't fucking...
Are you?
Yeah,
but I just wanted to make sure y'all were
No,
good.
yeah, we.
Oh,
Beautiful dose of instant karma. All it would have taken to avoid that is one simple mirror check. Impatient van driver puts people at risk because he didn't realize the lanes are merging.
Oh, oh! Oh, God, baby, no! Oh, my God.
What are you doing? Why do you have to do that? You want to know how to merge?
Oh, God, baby, no! Oh, my God.
What are you doing? Why do you have to do that? You want to know how to merge?
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. This biker decides to play with his friend's throttle while his bike is on. Stupidity at its finest. Tried an illegal merge, but couldn't even properly see the other lane, and this happened. Expensive speeding mistake. An extra 5 seconds that this dude saved was worth the thousands of dollars he was risking in damages.